Create stunning custom body frame photo collage in Canva. Open Canva and choose your project size. I will choose print, flyer portrait, creating custom body frame. Go to element or upload your photo. I will choose this one. Remove the background. Go to share, download, transparent background, and click download. I need a white background, so I will reduce its transparency to 0. And then click share, download, no transparent, and click download. Now remove the photo and then upload 2 images that we just downloaded. I will change the background to make it easier to edit. Select the white background. Go to apps and type card, enter, and choose image color maker. Select the woman's photo, scroll down, go to image, and click use selected image. Scroll up, let's increase the size of this image. And then remove the white background. Scroll down here and add to design. Let's increase the size to fit the page. I will send it to back. Select the woman, place in the corner, and increase the size to fit the page. Now duplicate the woman's photo. Place right on the origin. Go to edit, adjust, reduce the saturation to -100, send it to back. Now select this woman image and crop it. Here, create the false frame. Go to element, add line. I will choose this one, change the color to white. And then I will move it here. Increase the length to here. And then duplicate. I will rotate it -90 degree. And I will move it here. And duplicate again. I will place it here. And then I will duplicate this one. And I will place it here. And I will crop it only to here. I will duplicate it. And I will place it here. You can freely place the line to the position that you want. I will duplicate and place it here. So this is what I call false frame. It looks like a frame, but it's not a real frame. And then I will duplicate it and I will place it here. I will drag it here. I will move it to the top and I will crop it here. I will select this one, duplicate. I will place it here and crop it. Duplicate, I will place it here. Placing the photos, I will use it and I will place it here. I will double click and move it to the left and click done. And then I will select it and remove the background. And then I will use this photo, this couple photo, remove the background. I will go to edit and shadow, outline, change to white, and I will place it here. I will reduce the size, and then I will use this one, remove background. I will crop it. I will place it here. I will only use the woman's photo and crop it here. And then I will use this couple photo. I will reduce the size. I will place it here in this frame. And then I will use this one, remove background, reduce the size, and I will place it here and crop it. And then I will use this one, remove background, reduce the size, and I will crop it. And then I will insert this photo, reduce the size. I will place it here, crop it. Then I will duplicate this face, duplicate, place right on the origin, and then uncrop it to here. Crop here. And then I will duplicate it, place right on the origin. I will increase here, here, and down here. Arranging the position of each element. Now let's go to position, layers. Let's select all the line and group them. And then move it to the top. Now move the frame to the top. Then let's select this left side of this woman here, right above the black and white. I will select this photo with a shopping bag, and I will reduce the size, and then I will move it here and crop it. The final touch. And then I will add this orange blue circle. I will place it here. And also this one, the blue sepia brown circle. I will place it here. Now go to position. Move it behind the lines. Move this one behind this photo. And the yellow one behind this couple photo. I will reduce the size like this. Alright, so now we have it. You can customize all this frame and position just like what you want. See you next video and have fun with Canva.